If you're in the market for a new pair of headphones, you may be wondering if the Soundcore Space Q45's Adaptive Noise Cancelling headphones are worth the investment. These headphones feature Adaptive Active Noise Cancellation technology that adapts to your environment and cancels out up to 98% of the noise around you. So whether you're commuting on a train, working in a noisy office, or just trying to get some peace of quiet at home, the Space Q5 headphones should be able to help you tune out the noise and focus on what you want to hear. Other features that can be found on the headphones are high-res audio with the LDAC codec, 65 hours of playtime with ANC off, 50 hours of playtime with ANC on, a USB-C charging port. We have fast charging, so 5 minutes of charge time will get you 4 hours of playback. It also has 2 mics for calls, Bluetooth 5.3, and an auxiliary port for a wired connection. Before jumping into the unboxing, in the interest of full disclosure, these headphones were sent out to me by Soundcore for my honest opinion. In the box, we have a hard shell carrying case, the Space Q45 headphones, and we also got a USB-C charging cable and a 3.5 auxiliary cable. Taking a close-up look, it's safe to say that the Q45 shares a very similar style to the Q35s and Q30 headphones. The notable differences being the ear cup swivels and trim, as well as the design of the headband. Build quality seems on par with what we've seen before with Soundcore headphones. Durable, able to take minor bumps, and they look great. When it comes to using the Q45, for the most part, you'll be able to control many aspects of the features using the physical buttons directly on the headphones. On the right ear cup, there's a plus and minus rocker that can be used to control the volume and skip tracks when held down. Then there's the play and pause button, which can also be used to activate your voice assistants with a double press. On the left cup, there's the power button. Then there's the NC button. A single press allows you to cycle through the different ambient modes. A double press of the NC button turns on the bass up sound profile. And depending on your preferences, you can always use the Soundcore app to adjust the settings further for the NC button. In the app is where you're going to set your additional preferences. When connecting the Q45 to a phone for the first time, there's 2 options you may want to take advantage of that are disabled by default. The first being the LDAC codec, which is used for high-resolution audio over Bluetooth. The next being multi-point connections, which allows your headphones to be connected to 2 devices at the same time. Just keep in mind that you'll only be able to use one of those features at a time. Both of these options can be found under Settings, under Sound Mode, and Device List. Continuing on, under Ambient Sound, we have Noise Cancellation, which has 2 modes available for us to select. The first being Adaptive Noise Cancellation, which automatically adjusts the level between low, medium, and high, based on the active noise level in your surroundings. Then we have Custom Noise Cancellation, which allows you to select from 5 different levels. Transparency Mode is also available, to allow ambient sounds to pass through. Using Talk Mode essentially lowers the volume to allow you to hear voices better. Enabling this feature will prevent you from increasing the volume. Safe volume is really helpful if you're concerned about your listening levels and the impact to your hearing. Using this feature allows visual real-time decibel levels of what you're listening to, and even has the option to limit audio playback to only safe levels. So how does the Q45 perform overall? Starting with comfort, in comparison to the Q35s, I found these had a little more pressure towards the bottom of the ear cups, which had me adjusting these headphones a lot more. Audio, as usual, was a great experience. Vocals were crisp and clear, and never distorted at high volumes. Bass was really good as well, giving a nice rumble. Next, I got a few playback samples that give you a little taste of what you can expect. Out of the box, the headphones have good passive noise cancellation, and turning on ANC helped cancel out the additional ambient sounds. With ANC on and the volume set between 80 and 100%, I couldn't hear anything around me as I walked through my neighborhood, but as I began to decrease the volume, some sounds did come through. For Bluetooth connectivity, using them to watch videos, there was no notable latency, and I was able to walk around my home freely without any connection breakups. To wrap up the video, I'm going to leave you with this microphone sample from the Q45 headphones. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button and consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.